Hello and thank you for watching CNTechPro. My name is Nicholas, and as I woke up today, I had a few thoughts swimming through my head. One was, why have I not put any teardown videos or build videos in my vlog yet? The other is, why is everyone so cracked down on Pokemon Go? Alright, I have a response to that on Wednesday when we have our watch face of the week. That's going to be on our Instagram here. We also have our website here. As for the video, we're going to be doing a video each week. Going to be releasing them Friday. And they're going to be teardowns. Our first one is going to be of my Dell Optiplex 990. And it comes with a few good goodies. I've upgraded it since I've gotten it. So without further ado, let's get into it. Here's the parts for what we're going to be using, and I hope you enjoy it. Alright guys, well it's going to come with 12 gigs of RAM. It has an i5-2400. We're not going to be using the CD player, but we threw it in there because why not? We have an EVGA 700B, and it's going to supply plenty of power for what we're going to be using today. I have a 1TB Western Digital Black, and also a 64 gig Kingston SSD with the GTX 260 right there, Core 216. It's all going to fit inside this puppy. Let's do it. Beautiful.
That's a fat motherboard.
Not quite EATX like I'm hoping for, but it should serve its purpose.
First thing you generally want to do is line your holes of the motherboard with the posts, and at the same time line up your I/O with the rear shield. And not only that, but remember to pop in the shield if it is not already put in.
There we go. Looks like that's the spot right there. There we go. It's hiding.
Proceed to grab the motherboard screws and mount them into every hole that you can see on your motherboard. Generally there's 6 to 8.
When you first test it out, however, you're only going to want to put 1 or 2 screws in. Unless you have it out of the case, which would be even a better idea, but this is my daily rig, so I'm just showing off what sort of things I've ran into during this particular build. Jesus Christ. This is something I had a problem with. I'm sure. Not before. Actually, this is my first time taking out this motherboard, so we're gonna learn together. Holy shit, I think I need a better screwdriver, dude.
Side note, not only do we have a 1TB WD Black for storage, but we also have a very jerry-rigged Toshiba 64GB SSD.
I'm proud of that. Plex store? Pretty good.
Yes, the screwdriver, not the actual
Unfortunately,
SSD.
I don't have the SSD yet. Hopefully they'll send me one soon. Way better. Has more balls, man.
Oh dear.
Don't tighten down your screws all the way, guys, because some of them don't quite get in the right spot the first time. Very important. That way you can slip and slide around a little bit and make sure it lines up correctly with all the different holes. I don't know, that's something that I like to do, but it's up to you, of course.
What's that guy?
It's peripherals for all the front LEDs.
Oh, that's exciting.
There we we go.
Got left front LEDs.
What is this guy? This guy's temperature sensor or something?
Possibly.
I'll put him in there too. I don't know what he does or where he goes, but we're gonna put him in there.
You want a burger? I'm going in and out.
Dude, look. Once I mount the graphics card in there, the graphics card's going to be right on top of the SATA connectors. Once I mount it.
How are you going to solve it?
Right angle cables, man. My favorite. Hopefully that should solve that issue. Because SSDs don't matter. I love zip ties. Alright, so I think we're ready to mount this guy. This bad boy. Oh wait. Yeah, we should be good. Should be good. Open that guy up.
To mount these graphics cards, you generally just want to push firmly into the socket.
Check that out. Because I don't have my RAM in there.
Redo.
Redo. Problems.
As I was saying, you push firmly on the graphics card.
Which way was it? Was it green on white?
Just plug it in and see what happens.
Wait.
Plug it in and see what happens.
Hold on. No. Alright, so it's like that. Alright.
Same thing with the RAM. Just line up the notch with the notch in the SODIMM.
That's completely wrong, so hold on.
Of course, when you figured out what configuration you'd like to plug it in.
And then the best way to do it is push on each corner.
And both notches will just lock into place.
Yeah. There we go. There's that one. There's that one. We'll go for the other guy here. Lock. Lock. Bam. Not quite in there. Make sure those are all clipped in good. I think now we're ready for our graphics card. Make sure you line it up correctly. There we go. I believe I heard the click. Yep. We're solid. Solid. I don't hear any clicking. Sounds pretty good. Alright, let's get the PSU in there. No, actually, you can forget the CD player.
CDs are all the rage these days. You gotta have one.
Where did this sticker come from? Sure. Got a fancy sticker. Oh, hold up. There we go. Traffic jam. That's it right there. Forgot about this guy. There we go. Octopus of connectors. Honestly, way too overboard for this setup.
Can never go wrong with a 700 watt one.
Yeah, we can. Even though I don't even know if this board supports SLI.
It doesn't.
I don't think it does.
It doesn't.
You looked it up?
It doesn't.
It doesn't.
I don't have to look it up. It doesn't.
Alright, so now on to cable managing somehow. Oh, you know what? 6 pins in there.
Or if you wanted to get excited,
There we go.
could keep the 260 in there for gaming, and then have a Quadro as a secondary for rendering.
Oh, that's true too. Yeah.
Line up the 6 pins with the holes.
I wish there was some better way to conceal that, but unfortunately there's not. Let's see if I can get into there. There we go. Yeah, that looks way better. Unfortunately there's no room for anything. They welded it straight on. And here's me slaughtering this drive bay.
I don't even think it's
Like, it's scratching the drive.
I don't even think it's really a drive bay.
No, it's not a drive bay. So it's funny. I sent it out so I could get a screw in there. There we go. Perfect. Let's try that'll work. This is super jerry rigged. Super jerry rig right there. But that'll keep that guy nice and sturdy. He ain't going nowhere. Alright. Get these guys screws back on here. Almost there.
Now you just gotta plug in all the spaghetti.
Spaghetti. So overboard for this machine. It's hilarious.
To plug in your power, do the same thing as the 6-pin connectors in your GPU. Plug in all 20 or 24 pin, if your motherboard has that, into the slot.
There we go. Much better. Kind of have those cables here. I'm actually going to use this drive bay as cable management. Hopefully that'll make everything look a lot nice and tight. A lot more nice and tidy anyways. Well, you know what? I wanted to hook up my CD drive, but I still don't think that's going to happen. That's funny. Let's see here. Got so many connectors. There we go. I think it's set. 4 pin?
Oh, he remembered.
You think I'd forget? You
I
want
was
a better
like,
shot of this
I
or
was
what?
zooming in and out on the slides,
Here, come to this one.
hoping you'd remember. And just like any other connector, line it up with the holes and you're good to go.
Make sure it snaps on the right side, all the good jazz. I think I would forget about the 4 pin, man. I have been known to do it before. Let's see. This one I do not want. I'll use these two. That sounds good. These guys are good. These guys Oh. Wrangled it. There we go. Those guys out of there. And then one of these guys, looks like this guy is going to have to go out this way. Like so. I'm just going to touch this guy.
Plug in your SATA power and data cables, respectively.
There we go. I'm going to have to tuck him like that. Because honestly, I don't have any better way to do this in such a case. Working on another case, guys. I'll have another video on that. Let's tuck this guy back. SATA cable. There we go. Take that SATA cable back. Get that power cable tucked back. Now we're starting to look a lot more on top of things. Plug in our hard drive, SATA cable. Turn the right way. No, it just doesn't like me. Oh. There we go. Got it. Alright, I think all our cables are in place. Let's see, let's open this guy. That's my 6 pin there. Good. Alright, so stuff the cable. That looks a lot better, dude, that's for sure.
It's cable hiding spot.
Look how nice that fits everything. It looks like there's no cables in here whatsoever.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. That's what I like to tell myself anyways. There we go. Looking good there. Put this guy here. And it looks like we're ready to rock and roll.
All that's left is the plug it in and pray it works.
That guy on. Plug in my Bluetooth guy right there.
We have power. We have LED. We have Acer.
Alright.
And we have a hard drive fan error.
Hard drives had fans.
Other than that, that looks to be a successful boot. Hello, Windows screen.
Hello, Windows.
Success.
Glad to be back as well. Boots right every time. Alright guys, so it looks like we've about wrapped up this video. If you liked it, subscribe, hit a thumbs up or a thumbs down, let me know how you thought about it. Also, leave a comment in the comment section below, and let me know how I did, how, what I left out, what you would have liked to see, what you liked about it, what you didn't like about it. Let me know, guys. Hopefully we'll see you soon. We also got Instagram right here. We got our website right here. Thanks for watching, guys, and you guys have a good one. I'll see you in the next video.